Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to change a wood door lock. To begin, gather your essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a tape measure, and your brand new lock set. It's crucial to ensure your new lock's backset and bore hole dimensions match your existing door's specifications, typically 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches for the backset. Always keep the door open and securely propped during this process to prevent any accidental closures while you're working. This preparation ensures a smooth installation. Now, let's remove the old lock. Start by locating the 2 screws on the interior side of your door knob or lever. Use your screwdriver to loosen and remove these completely. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the interior and exterior halves of the lock set. Next, move to the edge of the door. You'll find a small latch plate secured by 2 more screws. Remove these, and then carefully extract the old latch mechanism from its opening in the door. This clears the way for your new hardware. With the old latch removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully insert the new latch mechanism into the bore hole on the door's edge. Pay close attention to the orientation. The angled side of the latch bolt should face the direction the door closes. Once properly seated, secure the new latch plate using the 2 screws provided with your new lock set. Tighten them firmly, but avoid over-tightening. Give the latch a quick test by pushing and pulling it to ensure it moves freely and smoothly within the door frame. This confirms proper alignment. Finally, let's install the main lock set. First, slide the exterior half of the new lock through the door, aligning its spindle with the latch mechanism. Then, connect the interior half, ensuring the spindle engages correctly. You'll typically find 2 long screws that pass through the interior side to secure both halves. Tighten these screws evenly, alternating between them to ensure a snug fit without binding. Once secured, thoroughly test your new lock set. Open and close the door, and use the key or thumb turn to lock and unlock it several times, confirming full functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.